Hey everybody, this is Bradley here. Yes, we got some thunderstorms. We got some thunderstorms in the area.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging wind and large hail. Lows in the lower 40s. Southwest wind 15 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of measurable precipitation 30%. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 40s. Southwest wind 15 to 20 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy through midnight, then becoming cloudy. A 30% chance of rain showers. Lows in the upper 30s. Southwest wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday, mostly cloudy.
Yes, folks.
A 50% chance of rain.
Everyone here in Northwest Ohio is under a severe thunderstorm watch till 9 p.m. tonight.
Wind 10 to 20 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Chance of rain showers through midnight. Then chance of snow showers, possibly mixed with rain showers toward daybreak. Lows in the lower 30s. West wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of measurable precipitation 50%. Saturday, Friday. Mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain showers and snow showers. Highs around 40. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs around 40. Monday night, partly cloudy through midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of snow showers. Lows in the upper 20s. Tuesday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of rain showers.
Yes, folks, we got some thunderstorms coming. Yeah, we got some thunder in the vicinity right now.
Cloudy with a 50% chance of rain showers.
Current temperature is now 61 degrees with thunderstorms in the area. With thunder in the vicinity right now.
Chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower.
Yes, we're under a severe thunderstorm watch until
The radio station WUNC
9 p.m. tonight for us here in Northwest Ohio and parts of Northeast Indiana. Doppler radar shows there's a thunderstorm to our south and says it's moving north. Yep. All right, folks, here comes the rain. Yep, Doppler radar showing some thunderstorms coming right for us here in Northwest Ohio.
Southwestern St. Joseph and southeastern Berrien counties through 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Niles to near Columbia City. Movement was northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and Pea Sized Hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, gusty wind could knock down trees and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible.
Whoa, that was good lightning, folks.
Around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these storms include Undertown,
We might get some Pea Sized Hail with this because I think Doppler radar is showing some. I think we got some hail with this. This is a Pea Sized Hail. Might get some Pea Sized Hail with this storm because my Doppler radar is showing some. Says we got a storm cell that's about 5 miles south of here. From south, it's headed north.
Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Southwestern Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Southwestern Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Southwestern Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Southwestern Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Southwestern Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Southwestern Michigan. Severe th Thunderstorm Watch number 66 has been canceled for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Bradford, Huntington, and Wells. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 66 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Noble and Woodley, and the following counties in Ohio, Defiance.
Yeah, look how dark that is over there, folks.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large-scale and damaging wind and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Review, commercial review, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the forecast. Severe Thunderstorm Watch 66 in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm through midnight. Then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers early in the morning.
Yeah, look at that rain, folks.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with damage.
Yep. This is Bradley here. I'm here in Van Wert, Ohio. We got some thunderstorms right now. Today is Wednesday, March 23rd, 2022. Current time now is 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's now 61 degrees with thunderstorms. Oh, look, folks. We got some hail. Look, we got some hail. Look at that, folks. That's hail. Look, that's hail. Oh my God, look at this. That's hail. Got some rain and some hail with this thunderstorm. Oh my gosh. That's hail. That's Pea Sized Hail. Oh my God. Wow, look at that. I think that's Pea Sized Hail. That's probably what that is. Got some hail with this. Yeah, hear that, folks? Uh-oh. Well, looks like the storm is coming to an end, folks.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK 58 in Fort Wayne. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWS. The current time is 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
Yes, folks, did you see that? We just had some hail with this storm.
Weather conditions.
Look at this, folks. We're getting some clearing right now, because look, got some clearing right there up in the sky, right there, see? Yeah.
74%. The wind was southwest at 13 miles an hour.
We just had some Pea Sized Hail with this storm.
Around the region, a thunderstorm was recorded with a temperature of 53 at South Bend and 51 at Toledo. Rain was falling with a temperature of 55 at Logansport.
Wow, look at that, folks. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Yes, folks. That was amazing, wasn't it? That was so amazing, folks. I just couldn't believe we just saw some hail with that. That was Pea Sized Hail.
13.0 feet. Flood waters begin to affect some farm buildings near Stryker and flood some secondary roads. Additional details at 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. The stage was 11.9.
Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that thunderstorm we had, and I'll see if I get more soon. Okay. And this is just one reminder, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch till 9 p.m. tonight. I'll see if we get more thunderstorms, and I'll let you know if we have to take cover, just in case if there's any more possible for more severe thunderstorms.
Early Friday afternoon. It will rise to 12.9 feet Saturday evening. It will then fall again but remain above flood stage. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. This is a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Allen, DeKalb, Kosciuszko, Noble, and Whitley. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of southwestern Steuben, Elkhart, northwestern Allen, Noble, central Whitley, northeastern St. Joseph, DeKalb, northeastern Kosciuszko, LaGrange, Cass, southwestern St. Joseph, and southeastern Berrien counties through 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Wow, that was so cool.
Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms.
It's kind of amazing. This was Pea Sized Hail.
Columbia City. Movement was northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Yep, like I said, folks, I hope you really enjoyed that thunderstorm that had some of that Pea Sized Hail with it. That was so cool, wasn't that, folks? Yep. Well, folks, I hope you really enjoyed that thunderstorm with some of that lightning and thunder and some hail. I'll see if I get more soon, okay? Hope you all subscribe to my channel for more for sirens, thunderstorms, and even some trains, okay? I just want to let you all a reminder too that we're under a severe thunderstorm watch till 9 p.m. from the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. But if there's any more thunderstorms, I'll let you all know to make sure you take cover, okay? And I just want to make sure a reminder that for the ones to the far east and eastern Ohio, in western Pennsylvania and northwestern West Virginia, you guys are under a tornado watch until 10 o'clock tonight. Atmospheric conditions are possible for tornadoes over there too, so make sure you be very careful out there. Well, for us here in northern Indiana and northwest Ohio, I think we just got a possible chance of an isolated brief tornado possible too. We had thunderstorms earlier that did have some severe thunderstorm warnings that did issue, and then some of these had tornado possible tags with them. But there was no rotation, but the atmospheric conditions were possible that some of these storms might produce a possible of a tornado possible, but none was not observed by Doppler radar or anything right now. Yep. So for the ones who are under that watch, make sure you all stay safe out there. This is Bradley here. You all stay safe and make sure you all be careful out there and watch out for more severe weather out there. Okay. We are still under our watch until 9 o'clock tonight. Current time is now 5:31, so we got another 3.5 hours left. And look, we got some clearing right there, see? Yeah, it looks like it's moving northeast. Yes, folks, it's moving away. It's heading northeast. Whoever's in the path of this storm right here should probably take cover, because I heard this storm did have a little bit some pea-sized hail with this. That was an amazing thunderstorm. I can't believe I haven't seen that. I never seen that much pea-sized hail before. Uh-oh, I hear sirens. Uh-oh. Yeah, look at that, folks. Got some clearing right there. Yeah, because this is probably the end of the thunderstorm we just had. Yeah, it's moving to our northeast, folks. We just had some pea-sized hail. That was so awesome, dude. Alright, folks. I hope you're really enjoying that thunderstorm. I'll see if I get more soon, okay? There's still more thunderstorms in the forecast, since we're still under that severe thunderstorm watch until 9 o'clock tonight.
Chance of rain showers, possibly mixed with snow showers. Highs in the 40s.
Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that, because that was pretty cool, wasn't it? Yep, and look, we got some little bit clearing right over there and over there too. Yep, that's the end of this thunderstorm right here. I'll see if we get more thunderstorms. If they do develop, I'll see if I get more soon, okay? Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a comment what you think about this thunderstorm that I spotted here in Van Wert with Pea Sized Hail and lightning and some thunder. Okay, well, you all have a good day. You all stay cool out there. Make sure you all get to safety in case if there's any thunderstorms heading right for you, to make sure you take cover if a warning's been issued or a special weather statement has been issued for your location. For the ones under that severe thunderstorm watch, I want you all to be careful out there, stay safe, and make sure you all get to shelter if a severe thunderstorm warning is issued for your location. And also for the ones in eastern Ohio, western Pennsylvania, and northwestern West Virginia, if you're under that tornado watch until 10 o'clock tonight, I want you all be careful down there and make sure you all take cover in case if there's a possible of a tornado sighted somewhere, okay? Make sure you all be careful out there, okay? Get to shelter and make sure in case if you just do not hear this, if you are outside, if there's a tornado warning, do not wait here for the sound of the sirens to go off. Just go into shelter and stay in there until the storm has passed. Alright, and make sure you all take cover in case if there's a tornado sighted or spotted somewhere on the ground, or if radar has indicated some rotation or a storm spotter reports something too, okay? Okay, well, you all have a good day. This is Bradley here. You all stay safe out there. Alright, we all have a good day. Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.